the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Lacey Swope.
All right, guys, we are starting off with a few showers. We had a few thunderstorms in northwestern Oklahoma this morning. Slight chance of rain in the metro in the next several hours. The bigger story is going to be the heat south of the boundary. There's a boundary stalled to our north. Dangerous heat is in the forecast. We are tracking a stronger cold front. We've been telling you about this. It's bringing us some relief. It's a not as hot front. Man, it's got some cool air with it, but unfortunately, the air won't be that cool when it gets to Oklahoma. There are 50s in the northern plains, the northern Rockies. That cold front arrives tonight and tomorrow across the state of Oklahoma. We also have a chance for severe weather behind that cold front. So there's a lot to get to. Today, heat advisories, excessive heat warnings, southeastern, eastern Oklahoma, heat indices up to 115. There's some rain on Next Gen Live. Look at the nice showers moving through from Sealing to Tologa to Putnam to Cheyenne, back to Arnett. Heavy downpour there over Fort Supply and Woodward. Now, this isn't going to amount to any flooding. We're talking maybe a few tenths of an inch in localized spots. But hey, we will take it. Rain chances going up in the northwest, still scattered chances across northern Oklahoma, 10% chance in the metro, and it is providing us some cloud cover. So on our Lucky Star Skycam network, live from Norman, it is 79 degrees to kick off the day. It is 85 in Guthrie, 81 in Choctaw, in the 80s in Seminole and Pottawatomie counties, 80 degrees down near Sulphur, and we've got 60s, a few 70s in the west and southwest. South to southwest winds are the rule today. We'll see them gusting once again 15 to 30 miles per hour. We'll be up to 92 at noon. We'll try to make it back up close to 100 with a heat index of 104 here in the Oklahoma City metro. 100 in Enid, 100 in Stillwater, 107 in Altus today. You factor in the moisture, dew point values are in the mid 70s to the east. It's much more muggy. 110 to 115 is possible. Now let's get to our rain chances because they're kind of scattered about over the next few days. Slight chance of rain this morning into the afternoon. A few showers, a few rumbles of thunder, a little cloud cover at times. Yesterday, you couldn't buy a cloud. Today, we'll have more of that, which will at least help to bring you a little bit of relief. It's dangerously hot. Then this evening and tonight, storms take off in the Panhandle, try to move into Harper County, Woodward County, Woods County overnight. Could produce some small hail, gusty winds. Right now, looks to stay below the severe limits in the northwest. Still some scattered showers around, and by tomorrow morning for rush hour, we may have a little light rain at times passing on by. Not everyone will get that, and the cold front makes its way through. We see sunshine for tomorrow afternoon, and then here comes the storm complex tomorrow evening. Once again, firing in Kansas, out in the Panhandle, moving into northwestern Oklahoma about 9 to 10 p.m., and those storms press down to the southeast. Large hail, damaging winds, localized flooding possible, and the chances go up in the metro between midnight and 1 a.m. Friday morning. That's the way it looks. Tonight, 70s, again, some 80s. There will be a chance of rain late this evening and tonight in northern and northwestern Oklahoma. 20% chance of rain tomorrow morning here in OKC. That front pushes in. Now, the cooler air is lagging just a bit, so we're still hot tomorrow, lower 90s, mid 90s, but hey, we're shaving off a few degrees. That north wind, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Along the front tomorrow afternoon, there is a chance for an isolated shower or storm. It's less than 20%, but storm chances are more likely tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, as that big old system starts to form and forms a complex that makes its way in from the northwest. Large hail, damaging winds, and localized flooding possible. Highest rain chance from Woodward to Alva to Ponca to Enid, 60% chance in OKC. Once again, storm trackers will be out. David and the team will be bringing you updates. May have up to golf ball size hail in the northwest tomorrow evening, quarter size hail in the metro, and those storms should weaken a little bit as they move towards central Oklahoma. May still have 55 to 60 mile-an-hour winds in OKC. Stronger winds possible up in the northwest. That moves out, and your Friday, when we talk about relief in July, this is what we're talking about. It's still hot, but hey, we're not seeing the widespread triple digits. We'll take it. 80s on the way. No real heat index expected for your Friday. Saturday still looks nice too. Sunshine, 80s for highs, 90 on Sunday, and then here comes the July heat. It's back next week, guys. We'll be tracking those storm chances. Back to you.